finally got access to Google BARD after joining the waitlist, and I'm so excited to jump in and show you what it looks like to get started with Google BARD. And I even ask it some interesting questions. I want to see if it can code software just like ChatGPT is able to do. So let's go ahead and jump into this introduction to Google BARD. So it's been a while since I've been able to get access to BARD, but I just got the email here telling me that it's my turn to finally be able to try the Google BARD, the AI tool that they have been working on. So yeah, I'm excited to compare it to ChatGPT and see what all the fuss is about. I'm gonna click on take it for a spin. All right, and so BARD is an experiment. Please remember, BARD will not always get it right, so they'll get better with being able to rate these responses. I like how I'm BARD, your creative, helpful collaborator, but they say not sure where to start, you can try. How can I get started? Help me finish my art studio. Explain why large language models sometimes make mistakes. Yeah, LLMs. So I just said, what can you do? Here are a few examples: daily tasks, setting alarms, making calls, answer questions, find information online, entertain with jokes. So what's the weather for Orlando, Florida? Let's get a little bit more complicated. All right, so I asked it to create this simple web page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that shows the current weather of Orlando, Florida at the push of a button. And it outputted, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's copy this, go over to CodePen and see if it works. All right, and current temperature in Orlando, 65 degrees. So it looks like each time you push the button, it auto updates with the current weather. So, and it looks like I've got to add in the weather data, get weather for this API key. So it's very simple coding, it's not complex at all. Even ChatGPT can output something like that. I was happier with ChatGPT's output when I asked a similar question in one of my previous videos, but yeah, it looks like it can also provide with coding help and software help too. So I asked it, I want to write a novel, how can you help? Coming up with ideas, doing research, strong plot, revise and edit. Interesting. So I've been working on a story for one of the projects, and I just asked it to flesh out the story idea concept. It's about, kind of a story of characters going to fight darkness. It popped out some interesting suggestions here. So I asked, can you add in these suggestions to the copy I shared for the different chapters? So it updated the kind of draft of the story. Pretty interesting. Yeah, overall I've been pretty surprised with Google BARD. It seems like very similar to ChatGPT, except you can get real world results. You can get that with ChatGPT plugins and their new browser. They also have the code executor and then code interpreter right in the ChatGPT with the new plugin that's coming. I think we'll do more of a testing between ChatGPT and Google BARD in another deep dive video. But yeah, if you've been testing out Google BARD recently, what are some interesting use cases, things that you've found with Google BARD? How are you using it kind of on a daily basis? I've been using ChatGPT so much. Yeah, Google, it seems like, is trying to catch up to what OpenAI is doing. If you have any questions or useful information, please drop them down in the comment section down below. And please remember to like and subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to smash that subscribe button. And only 96% of my viewers right now are not subscribed. I don't know why people aren't subscribed. Subscribe so you can be notified of other upcoming videos, support my channel and everything, creating awesome content like this. I want to educate people on new AI things that are being released, tech news, software that's coming up, and also helpful business and leadership skills. So with that, thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.